As you know from the previous part of that course, our methodology based on non-formal education. Our method focused on health, and it includes 4 thematic blocks, which mean healthy diet, environmental health, health promotion and disease prevention, and the last one is physical activity. Now I would like to familiarize you with our modules and especially the parts of them. Each module contains description with stars from 1 to 3, which express difficulty of level of the modules. And each module contains 4 parts: energizer, main activities, evaluation, and the last one is dissemination.
Energizers are a very important part of learning process, because when me as a trainer see that the energy is low, then the energizer is a great break to get more energy, to upload participants with positive attitude and approach.
So, I wake up, I move a little bit in the room, I jump around, go around, do some stuff, move my body, touch people, communicate with people, and then I breathe and I feel more alive, my brain has more oxygen, so you feel more energetic, of course.
Energizers are a very good way to begin the real subject. What was the purpose of providing the educational in that way? First, it is a variety of topics. 20 modules give us the opportunity to touch many different areas of health education, many other aspects of health. These give us the holistic approach of health education. It is also flexible for learners, for educators. It means that you can use modules for different ages of groups, for different size of groups, and even different places.
I may remember and involve me and I will understand. Said by Confucius. I don't know if you agree with that.
Yes.
Basically, this is also the way how I work in non-informal education, with how I try to work with informal education with kids, with people.
Each module is an educational path that takes you deep and deep into the topic. Moreover, this is evidence-based education, which means that it's connected with science. It provides you the knowledge, but also soft skills.
We added many informations, many sources where to find reliable and important stuff, even if you're not a trainer connected with health. So it's for everybody, basically. The role of the person who is leading these kind of models is a facilitator who just somehow summarizes and helps people to go through the learning process.
In our modules, we used group working as a main method of learning. It is all about sharing experiences, sharing knowledge between participants and getting more involved in the process. Giving the possibility to learners to discovering knowledge and achieving goals by themselves improve educational process in all aspects. In that way, they focus more, they use different roles in the group, and the whole educational impact is more solid.
Giving information and consuming information.
As a way of learning, I find myself very easy and very comfortable working with groups because it provides the opportunity for sharing experiences, for learning from others, and also improvise whatever is learned in the group. Also, the dynamic of the group is always something that motivates each one that participates in the group, because it gives this wholeness that is always better than working individually.
As a group it was better because we have different tasks, and for example I bring the camera, some of them are the people, and we divide it in our tasks, and it was really nice.
I have to say that working in groups in non-formal education is a very important part. Moreover, it builds people with experiences and exchanges maybe a bit of temperaments and characters. And what I noticed from the perspective of a trainer is that it's very good to have a group that contains many different people who take different roles. So we have a leader, we have an observer, we have a mediator maybe sometimes. That way the people learn from each other.
Speaking about working in the international group, I should say that this experience is much more valuable than usual working in groups. When you're sitting in the international groups, you could get another points of views from another countries, connected by their personal backgrounds, their personal religions points of view, their personal cultural points of view, and this is amazing.
Each module contains an evaluation as a part of summary knowledge and skills gained by participants during the activities. Evaluation gives us an opportunity to monitoring learning process.
Reflecting your emotions and your feelings, that what happened in your day, and you catch yourself thinking and push yourself to reflect, and not just in your mind but also to share it and to give a feedback and about how it was the day.
The fourth part of the module is a dissemination. We used here many different activities. For example, social media, campaigns and handicraft. Spreading knowledge, for this reason, is very important because we would like to multiply educational efforts. So in the end, I would like to explain you how to use our method. You will find all the content on our interactive platform Start Now Learning. You will see there that we have divided all the modules in 4 areas with different colors. We have signed all the modules with stars. 1 star module is dedicated for the youngest, 2 stars for the teenagers, and 3 stars for the youth and adults. We also put estimated time for each module. In our materials you will find also many colorful infographics and useful hints for facilitator.